As you can see from my 78-year-old overweight client in this video, experiencing his very first Thai yoga stretching session, the results are immediate and undeniable. Even if your clients are older, unfit, or carrying extra weight, this simple sequence of 12 Thai yoga stretches makes a profound difference, helping them feel better, move better, and stay committed to their sessions with you. Now, imagine the impact of offering this to your own clients, keeping them coming back for more, get them to book longer sessions, offer a premium service that sets you apart as a trainer, yoga teacher, or movement specialist. And you don't have to stop there. You want personalized feedback? Book a live Zoom session with me for expert guidance. Looking for a certification? Upgrade to the certification track, where I'll review your practice and award you a certificate of completion with 16 Yoga Alliance continuing education credits. Prefer hands-on training? Join me in person at my private fitness retreat in Southern Nevada for an immersive experience and a 2-day weekend. This is your opportunity to master Thai yoga stretching and take your skills to the next level. Click the link below to continue your journey. I look forward to working with you.